Hello, my name is Uchechukwu Buzugbe. I am one of the team members for the Slater_ team for Google AI Agent competition. I am working with wonderful personalities like Mansee Pagare and Karthigeyan. And we came up with EduVoice. Now you may be asking what is EduVoice, which is a very good question. So one of our teammates, Mansee Pagare, works very closely with an NGO in India that helps visually impaired individuals and blind individuals navigate through life and enjoy that which other privileged people may not be able to enjoy. And one of which is reading novels to them. So they enjoy being hearing the novels and understanding what that book says. But this can be solved through many other means, but not all books have the access to have a voice recording. So we decided to build an AI agent that answers that question. So what our AI agent does is it takes in PDFs, Word documents, and scanned documents. It passes through each of the agents, which is given a prompt to be able to write or take such documents and transform them into normal text. Then there is another AI agent that helps chunk this text, clean the text, and chunks the text. So it chunks the text ready for the text to speech model to be able to speak it out in languages, in different lingua. For the text to speech, we are actually using Google's model text to speech. I'm going to go to my laptop now to show you how this works. So very quickly, I am going to run the model here. So while it is running, I just want to tell you that AI agents are everywhere, and Google ADK helped us build this model effectively, this EduVoice effectively. Now it is running very slowly and it's going to be coming up very soon, and I will show you how it works on my laptop. I'll take you through all the steps from the start of the document to the end. So for now, we just have upload the board document PDF and get full narration about that particular document. We're going to browse for a folder that we're going to use. Let's just use the exact one that we are using in the tool. So we're going to have Hindu text, we have normal PDF document, we have a Word document, and we have a scan document. Let us do the PDF document. So now that it's uploaded, it is ready to be processed. So Agent 2 processes it from PDF and it takes it in. If it's an OCR, it works with OCR. If it is normal text or PDF, it works with different PDF Python packages which we are using. Just a moment. Okay, so it is done processing. Now we're going to generate the audio. We can choose either one of them to generate the audio. So let's try English British. It will attempt to download it on straight to our laptop or to your system, and I think my system has issues with downloading at the moment, but it's fine. So just throw a little bit of error, but don't worry, everything is under control. EduVoice works perfectly with both word, text, and pictures at the moment. So we can go back to our code and see what is actually happening. That is generating the text, and each chunk is being chunked. So is generating the audio for chunk 1 out of 2. So it chunks it into 5 different parts. So when it is done chunking, it then merges the documents. That's the audio files, which is what is happening right now. So the audio files are being merged. So after merging the files, it is merged as one. As you can see, it has started downloading. Just ignore that. So as you can see, it is ready.
The beginning of the stories. Summer holidays. Aji smiled to herself as she waited for 2 more of her grandchildren to arrive. Raghu and Meenu would be here soon. Anand and Krishna had already arrived with their mother the previous evening.
So that's the audio all through for 12 minutes audio. So that's how it works. For further enhancement of this application, we want to use generate summary and generate quiz, where another agent, a sub-agent, is able to generate the summary of the book directly, and another agent is ready to generate a quiz for each book. So it will ask the user questions and the user gets to answer. Another thing we want to also add is a text-to-text voice activation, for we understand that we're building this for visually impaired and the blind, and we don't want them to be using their phones because they're not privileged to do that at the moment. So they can easily use their voice to activate the agent, and the agent is able to do whatever I'm doing with my fingers. So they can do it without their hands. So they can say, I want you to generate an audio for a storybook, and the agent comes back and says, which storybook do you want me to generate? Then there'll be a list of books already in its library, and it chooses the book and it transforms there. So that in itself is what we have built, and we are happy to share with the world. Thank you. Again, my name is Buzugbe Uchechukwu, and my team members are Mansee Pagare and Karthigeyan. Thank you. Thank you for watching.